this is Aryan. Welcome to my channel. Let's get started. So today we're going to be unboxing my basketball hoop stand. This is what I was been waiting for a whole day, and I got my basketball. My basketball came 1 week before this came. So let's unbox it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And also ring the bell if you want. Here is the inside of the box. Oh, there's the stand which it holds it. My mom's helping me out. There's so many pieces. There are the pieces, so we could assemble it. Here, as you could see, we are following the instructions. We have a few problems with it, so we are following it. It's already so much taller than me. The pole is ready. We're trying to fix the hoop. My sister likes it. It's almost done except we have to screw it a little bit more. Thanks for my dad for helping me out a lot in this. Brilliant! As you could see, it has wheels so we could move it anywhere. You could play it inside the house. Or you could play it in your bathroom. Or you could play it outside. Usually I play it there, but you could play it anywhere you like. It is very useful during this quarantine period. You could get some physical exercise. I got this tall when I was like 3 feet tall from playing basketball. So you could also get tall. I hope you like this. I very liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.